Hi guys! Okay, so I just got my first ER order, so I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing to see what we got. So this is my first time unboxing. Okay, so the first thing I got are these. It's called Unwind, and they're actually for kids, but there's magnesium in them, and they're watermelon flavored, and what you do is you add them to your water. And you kind of do it like at nighttime, so it helps you unwind. So I'll try this out and let you guys know how it is. So for my first ER order, I picked the Thieves line. So Thieves is kind of the Young Living's cleaning line, but they also have like toothpaste and things like that. So this one's peppermint and spearmint. I'm excited to try that. Then I got, so there's going to be a bunch of Thieves stuff in this box. So I got the foaming hand soap, so they give you 2 and you get the little foaming pump. So that'll be fun to use. And Thieves really does like help kill germs and things like that, so this is perfect for right now. Ooh, I'm excited for this. I got a charcoal like bar of soap. I like using bars of soap. Especially like in the shower, I just think it's easier. So this one's like a charcoal one. It smells really good. I forgot what flavor it is. Oh, it's orange blossom. So I got the orange blossom one, so that's kind of exciting, and it's charcoal too. That's awesome. I'm excited to use that. Okay, and then I also got 2 bottles of the household cleaner. This is the concentrate, so you can make a lot of different things out of this. You can make cleaner, you can make spray for your plants, and it's really good. You can use it for a ton of different things, so I'm excited to do some DIYs with that. Oh, cool, I didn't know this came with it. So this is the mouthwash, so that's cool. You get toothpaste and mouthwash. And for your first ER order, if you do the Thieves one, you get a really good deal on it to try like almost every Thieves item. And you get another little extra foaming pump. Oh, that's cute. They give you 2 little kind of like travel spray bottles of the Thieves cleaner, so you can bring it with you. Or I'm sure you could dilute this too. Some of their items you can dilute and use for multiple things. How cute. I got 2 of the hand sanitizers too. This hand sanitizer smells so good. Kind of smells like Christmas. Okay, so then these are all of the oils that I got. Some of these are promo, so if you buy a certain amount, you get free oils. So I'll open all of these guys up. It's cool because they come in these little tubes. I love it. Okay, cool. So these are all the oils I got. This was a freebie, so it's called Envision. Actually, I haven't smelled a lot of these, so I'm excited. That smells really good. Purification. This one's really good for, you can add it to like bug spray or to like cleaning solution. It smells really good. It reminds me of citronella a little bit. I won't smell all of these, but I'm just showing you guys what I got. I'm excited for this one. This one's Christmas Spirit. So this one actually does smell like Christmas. Ah, it smells like cinnamon. Cinnamon and like peppermint. It smells good. So I got 2 of those because I was so excited to try it. And then I got cedarwood. I got a big one of this. This is good for a lot of different things. I'm so excited. I got a big bottle of Valor. Valor's what I've been using kind of as like my perfume every day. It smells really good. I don't know how to describe it, but it's kind of a deeper like floral scent. And it really helps with like bravery. Oh, this one's cool. This one's Egyptian gold. So that was another one of the freebies. Kids Genius. So they have certain ones that are for kids, but you can use them too as adults. And usually they're just pre-diluted, so they're not as strong. Oh, that smells really good. Kind of smells like Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh, that smells good. I like that. That was another freebie that we got. I got this one. That's a kids one. It's called Kids Owie. So if you get any like scrapes or cuts, I usually get a lot of like bug bites outside, and I get like cut a lot, so I'm excited to use this. Yeah, it just smells kind of, I don't know, that one kind of smells a little bit like citronella too. Just a little bit like softer of a tone. Idaho Grand Fir. Copaiba. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm excited to try this. This is a vitality one, so I can add this to my water too. Grapefruit, I'm so excited. You can add that one to your water or to ice cubes as well. This one's Common Sense. I think this was a freebie. So, some free Common Sense. Oh, that smells good. I'm really bad at explaining smells, but... Oh, and I got a big bottle of Thieves. I love Thieves. It smells so good. Yeah, I got the big bottle because I have a little bottle, but I've already used about half of it. So I thought I would get some more. So yeah, I think that was my entire order. So basically each month with ER, you get to pick what items that you want, so you can change it. I changed this order so many times before it processed, but I know I wanted to try all the Thieves cleaning items because I hadn't tried those yet. So I added that, and then on top of that, I just added a few oils and then the charcoal soap and then this Unwind, which I'm really excited. This is mostly for magnesium and to unwind at night. So that's really exciting. And then I'll let you guys know how I like all of the Thieves cleaning stuff because I've never actually used it before. I just got one sample in my starter kit of the hand sanitizer and the cleaner, and it smells really good and it works really well, so I'm excited to try it more. But that is all for now. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. You can message me or just comment below and I'll get back to you guys. Bye.